Favorite ba yan ng lahat? Uy, ang ganda. Sobra. Grabe yan.
I step out in my new bikini, heads turning when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Might wanna be me, come over here and see me strut in my new bikini. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Hey Blues! Welcome back again to this channel, and for today's reaction video, we are going to watch the Sweet Tooth official music video behind the scene. Let's do this! Because I'm so excited to watch this one. Alam nyo na. Maraming... Basta, panoorin na lang natin. Wag na natin to patagalin. Let's go! Here we go, here we go. Ay, excited yarn. Let's go, Jo!
Coach? Yeah. Coach, di ka di ako makatingin, coach.
What's happening there?
Diyos ko!
Oh, the fireworks. Fireworks? Ano nga tawag dyan? Ay, sorry, Aya. Basta yun na yung... Ay, ganda ni Aya. Oh, dang. Oh my gosh. Kanta ni Stacy dun. Lahat sila maganda. Let's go.
Hi guys, so nandito tayo sa Tarlac. Ngayon na lang ulit kami nagkaroon ng shoot na ganito kalayo. And
Tarlac? Akala ko sa Dubai yun. Wow. That was October 14. Alright, okay.
Ang ganda ng view sa labas. Sobrang peaceful. Walang tao. Kami lang. We are shooting music video for Sweet Tooth.
Nice. Ay, tutulog si Mika. Ay, grabe naman si Maloy.
Hi guys, we're here sa location and we're gonna start in a few. Yeah, exciting kasi ang cute ng cars. Gusto ko yung car na blue. Sana magkaroon ako ng ganun sa future.
Sure.
Gosh!
Ay, excited siya.
GTA.
Ay, GTA talaga si Sako eh.
Yung kotse ka GTA! Nakita ako mamaya.
Ang cute.
Magdadrive?
Di na GTA walk.
What? Pwede ako mag-drive! Magdadrive din ako!
Gusto ko yung sasakyan na yun eh.
Alin? Which one?
Itong... Ba yan?
Yun yung mga gusto kong sasakyan. Pag nakakita ko na pinipicturean ko siya lagi. Nagmamanifest ako na makabili ng ganyan.
Soon.
Lord.
Let's go! Clear the set! Okay, good luck, girls! Cameras rolling! Okay, 3, 2, 1, cue music!
Hey.
So, the choreography for Sweet Tooth, ang gumawa is our two dance coaches, Coach Matthew and Coach Riden. And yung parang yung vibe nung choreo, sabi
Chill
ng
lang.
Coach Matthew is dapat effortless, very smooth vibe. Hindi namin niliteral yung song na very chill. Medyo may mga part pa siya na mag-groove, ganyan. So, binabalance out yung song itself with the dance.
So, inabot sila ng gabi.
King camera!
That sunset.
Hi, everybody. So,
Not
as you can see,
sunrise.
sunrise na!
It's sunrise nga.
So, shoot namin yung naglalaro na kami ng fireworks. Excited na ako kasi nung bata ako. Ganito lang yung hinahawakan ko nun. So, it brings back so much memories. Yung childhood. And, ayun. I'm so excited to party with the girls. Diba? Ang saya nila! Alright! Ang saya nila! Pinagpapawisan na sila!
Okay. Ah! Diyos ko! Grabe naman. Sorry. Maubos na to. Wala pa kayo.
Wait lang. Pag dalawa na natitira.
Mamatay.
And go, go! Sige, go! Quick! Let's go!
They're having so much fun. Ay, taray. Ay, Ang kulit ni sa Ayasi. Ang kulit ng Ayasi.
Put your like clear yan. Clear.
I know there's plenty of words, addictions, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet tooth.
Grabe naman yan. So, it's really a sunrise. Grabe. I thought that was sunset, but wow, inabot sila ng umaga. And, natutuwa ko dahil tuwan-tuwa rin sila sa ginagawa nila. Let's go! Ay, grabe naman yan.
Sweet like watermelon.
The actress that you are, May Kalim.
It's probably not so good for me, but I don't
Ganda ni kulit to.
Siguro para tong night out and then mag-roam around
grabe
the
naman
city,
yan.
ganon. Alam mo yung kapag nag-night out kayo, pagod kayo, tapos parang kailangan nyo mag-unwind and kailangan nyo ng fresh air, so yun yung vibe namin, di ba? We're evolving, we're growing. Nag-night out ng Bini.
sweet tooth. No, I can't help it if it won't.
Grabe naman yan, Jo.
I know there's plenty of words, addictions,
Stacey nyo?
just can't help the
I'm a star, I'm a star.
me and my sweet
Let's go, Shi.
Joanna, excited ka ba?
Yes, I'm so excited. May pagmamalak ko sa buhay ko.
Ay,
Si Joe magdadrive.
ay, parang ayaw pa.
I trust her more than you.
Ang cool! Oh, man! Amazing! That was so cool!
Ang ganda! Ang ganda! Paano? Ganyan na lang. Yan.
Paano kung yung bricks, di ako sanay, di ba? Pag gumanon kayo.
Si Gwen! Steady lang ako.
Okay, tayo pasok.
Last message, guys, are you?
Lord, please,
Hoy!
Lord, and give Mika the presence of mind to drive and not to go faster.
Mika, hindi ako sumisigaw, pero sisigawan kita pag
Any. Sa loob.
Ang cute ni Gwen.
Nice and slow!
Ang cool!
Careful!
Wow! Wow!
Hi guys, so we're done now with the car scene. Super dali lang pala. Like, as in, isang ganon lang ng ikot of driving, drove the vintage car, and I drove the BMW.
Hey! Ay!
It's so fun kasi we're done with the
Grabe
first
siya.
night out. We're done with the scene. And I feel like this one is the harder to shoot scene kasi nga outdoor. And later we're gonna go back sa building. Yeah. And I'm excited for this MV kasi first time namin maganto na all night scenes lang talaga. Mainly night
Nice.
scenes. And I love the vibe of the song. And I can't wait to see the finished product.
Eh, may balak pang bumili ng BMW ah.
Yung anyway, yun. Alis na tayo dito. Tara na. Atakin niyo siya ah. Diretso dito.
Ang cute!
Ganda.
Ah, perfect
First
yun, no?
na tayo mag-shoot dito sa mansion ng amo ko. Na birthday niya ngayon. And ito yung shoot na parang very, kung paano lang kaming bini, gano'n. Kasi kanina nagdadrive. As a party girl. Baliw! Yeah!
Si Jo as a party girl.
Wow! Lasing kanina.
Ano?
Coach, di ako makatingin, coach.
Ang dami pala nilang takbo. Ay!
Hi, Blooms. Tapos na yung set namin apat ni Gwen, Aya, and Mika sa sa taas. Takbo-takbo lang. Nakatatlong ulit kami. And nag-change ako ng shoes kasi naka-heels ako. Napapansin niyo, my eyes sobrang swollen na because I'm not feeling well.
Oh.
Galing kami Iloilo. Tapos umuwi lang kami. Flight namin morning, di ba? And then nag-rest lang kami. And then today is our shoot.
Hey.
And we're still here sa parking lot. And actually, patapos na kami. Few shots na lang, tapos group performance, then we're done! Mas energetic kaming girls kapag yung, as in, palalim na ng gabi, kesa yung morning, kasi medyo cranky pa kami in the morning and sleepy pa, ganyan. So, in the evening, talagang mas energized kami.
Okay, cue music. 3, 2, 1.
Ay! Favorite ba yan ng lahat?
Move it, girls.
Uy, ang ganda. Sobra. Grabe yan.
And then, we're eating gummies.
Yummy break.
Yung theme is party. And actually, I feel like we kind of
Ang kulit.
parang similar theme with this. I remember Golden Arrow kasi yung sa Golden Arrow din is nag-shoot kami sa road din.
Mhm.
Tapos parang party-party. But this time, yung peg kasi is parang very after parties.
They're just really enjoying. Ang cute. Lakas talaga ni Coach Red, oh. Hey, let's go, Coach Matthew.
How can I self-regulate your love is
Grabe si Gwen.
I should try something healthy, but it never tastes as good.
Ang ganda ng pasok ni Sheena doon. Oh, napakaangas.
It's a wrap.
Oh. Wow. So that's it. It's a wrap. So thank you for that, Beanie, for the behind the scene of your Sweet Tooth music video. That was nice. Alam ko naman na every shoot nyo is nag-enjoy talaga kayo. And you're just being you. Being just Beanie. So yun lang. I hope you also enjoy it. And see you on my next reaction video. Bye!
I ain't skipping meals, yeah, I keep my